Ah, it's a wonderful morning. The sun is shining. The birds are tweeting. The birds get off my turf! Oh no, he did a little spastic twerk there for a second. That's beautiful. Hold me, Lick. I'm scared. Hello? Lizzie, protect me! Fuck you, Pewds. I never liked you anyway. I'm out of here. Do you want to die, bro? Do you want it? That's CDs as a necklace? That's adorable! Where did you get it, Tiffany? Bitches never fucking learn. Let's spill some more effigies, I suppose. Whoa. Are those mushrooms? Oh my god.